Hello friends, welcome back to Smriti Notes for Biotechnology. So in today's video, we will be going some other set of questions which are frequently asked in your biotechnology interview. I have already made a video. If you haven't watched it, then I'll share the link in description box. Go and watch it. So the very first question is, which is very common, like what do you basically understand by the term biotechnology? What does it mean? So I'm sharing what basically biotechnology means to me. You guys can add on your answer as well. So basically it is a team of scientists who do research and work together to enhance the nutrition level of a food or enhance anything on which they are basically working. In biotechnology, the researchers try to minimize the use of pesticides and improve the crop. They work and manipulate different microorganisms for production of different antibiotics and hormones. So basically this is what biotechnology means. Now the next question is, what does GMO stands for and what is its importance in relation to biotechnology? So GMO means genetically modified organisms, where two different genetic molecules are used to combine a new one. I have written a general answer just to help you out. You guys can add on anything whatever you like to. Another question which can be asked is, what problems do we face by using the genetic engineering tools? So by basically using genetic engineering tools, all the plants and crops are exposed to too many pesticides and herbicides that are overused to keep it fresh. Traditionally, farmers avoid using so many pesticides. Another question is, what are the different types of biotechnology? Explain each. So, it is of three types, that is red, white and green biotechnology. Now you must know what does each one means. So red biotechnology usually used in medical devices like antibiotics. Green biotechnology is used in agricultural process to grow crops that are more environmental friendly. And the third one, which is white biotechnology, is used in industrial process like using a chemical reaction or designing an organism. Next question is, what do you mean by bioethics? These are very basic questions, but when it comes to answering, we all get confused. So, bioethics is basically a combination of social, political, ethical, and environmental consequences and implications of biotechnology. In simpler terms, it means how to value and respect anything which we are using and that does not have any harmful effect on the environment. Another question is, how is the biotechnology useful in our day-to-day life? Very general but a tricky question to answer. So, biotechnology is basically used in solving the problems that we face in our daily products like yogurt, wine, cheese, and antibiotics. We basically use biotechnology that promises us a better way of retaining the essence and preventing diseases which can be harmful for us. Simple. Now, the next is the full form of AIDS and how is it caused. So, AIDS stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome and it is caused by HIV-1, that is Human Immunodeficiency Virus. These all questions are very basic but sometimes difficult to answer. Now the next is, what is an exon? The region of a gene that contains coding sequence of a polypeptide is called exon. Now the next is, what is an intron? If you know what is an exon, then you must know what is an intron as well. It means the nucleotide sequence present between exon of a gene. They can be removed by the process of splicing. So these are some very important set of questions which are usually asked and you should know it. I have made another video which is already on my channel. If you haven't watched it, then go and watch it. The link is in the description box, which has another set of important questions which are usually asked. And guys, if you like the video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel to receive the latest update. Thank you.